Need a notification tune-up in Microsoft Teams? First, make sure notifications are turned on under your phone settings. Back in Teams, tap Menu, the 3 lines, and tap Notifications. Tap General Activity to toggle on what you'd like to be notified about, like mentions to receive app mentions in your Teams and channels. To manage which channels you're subscribed to, tap Channels. If you only want to receive notifications during specific hours, tap During Quiet Time. Toggle on Daily Quiet Hours, and choose when you'd like to mute your alerts. And your quiet hours are scheduled. To turn off alerts for a whole day, like on your weekend, tap Quiet Days. You can also mute mobile notifications when you're using the Teams desktop app, or if you're in a meeting on your phone. Still having issues with your notifications? Tap Troubleshoot Notifications to find more solutions.